We're here at ProMat 2019, and Laser Read Technologies is showing its Crane Sentry family of crane collision detection and zoning products. On display, we show the Crane Sentry system moving with a gantry monorail. This system shows how the monorail is slowing and stopping at limits based on the Crane Sentry settings. So this is a movable bridge. As I move the bridge closer, the other crane must come and stop before it hits the other crane. We're also showing our brand new Crane Sentry Lite, our lowest end product for simple collision detection, and our higher end product, our Zone Manager system, for up to 8 2-axis zones within your facility. Please be sure to contact us with any crane collision detection or zoning needs. We welcome special requests.